Just for the sake of the youngsters and for our fellow audience, if you could kindly tell us a little bit about yourself.
Great. Good morning, and interacting with you, Abra Banerjee, and sharing my thoughts about the scenario on startup and mentoring would be a great delight for me. About my background, I have done my master's in engineering from IIT Delhi and have served corporates for nearly 40 years in different capacities, of which nearly 20 years as a president and the CEO of the organization.
Sir, what do you think in the COVID crisis? There have been so many people who are closing down and so many startups who are closing down. The startup entrepreneurs are losing heart, losing hope. What's your advice and what's your beacon of hope for these youngsters to stay on and to fight on?
I think it's a very relevant question in today's need. And the answer to the question lies in the question itself. The situation the COVID-19 has brought is an illness which has been experienced by the world after 100 years. The Spanish flu, 100 years back, was a similar incident that happened which affected the entire globe. Even India, more than 1/3 of the Indian population was infected, and more than 1.5 to 2 crore people in India died. Now, what is this COVID-19 or this pandemic? It has come by surprise to all. No medicine, no vaccine, no hospital facilities or infrastructure, no trained doctors, no nurses, insufficient facilities which are required, no PPEs, no life-saving equipment. It has come. We have not given up hopes. In the constrained environment, everyone is trying to find ways and means how to conquer this situation. So the same thing applies to a startup, that there is a big challenge. The challenges post-COVID-19 are very different and too many for everyone in the business or job, in education. Every sector has different challenges. Rules of the game have dramatically changed in many cases, and the game itself has changed. Now, we should not get afraid, worried, fear. Now, we need to find first how to become positive. Like, we spend a lot of time in multiplying negative messages. People have lost jobs, salaries are not coming, business is not functioning, what will happen? People are going in depression. First important thing is how to become positive, how to create the family atmosphere positive. Number two, there is no problem in the world which cannot be solved. And the solution has to come from the individual himself or herself. So that self-confidence in an entrepreneur or a startup leader is needed, that I will find a way to conquer the challenges I am coming across. Now, to achieve that, what is important is I may require to upgrade some of my skills. I may have to learn new things, tricks of the trade. So I should be prepared to identify what is required. Then at the same time, the business pre-COVID and post-COVID has to have a transformation. I'll give you an example. There was a startup run by 3 girls. It is from an all-women university. I am mentoring that startup for nearly 1.5 to 2 years now. This is from an all-women university, all-girls startup, and the chefs are all women. The customers who will be eating the products are all girls who are staying in the university hostels. So it is related to that. Now, when COVID-19 situation, this pandemic had come, hostels are closed. So people have to vacate. Students have to go away to their different cities and towns across the country. One easiest way is to close the startup, to wind the startup. Second way is, what are the new skills required to learn? If I am operating from Lucknow, or my second co-founder is operating from Haryana, third is operating from other part of Rajasthan, this project is in Jaipur city, how to remotely manage a business, how to remotely manage the chefs who are there, how to see logistics. Because when you are doing in a university campus, logistics is a different nature. But here the logistics, because you have to give a new look to your business. What? Can we now change that customer definition? The families of Jaipur city can be my customers. Chefs remain the same women, promoters remain the same, but logistic system changes. Packaging systems undergo a change, because earlier the packaging was only confined to the students in the hostel who may or may not be particular about that. But here, when you serve the external community, packaging plays an important role. Long distance travel, 5 kilometers, 7 kilometers, handling safety is important. COVID-19 period, people would like to have safety and trust. I would not like to order food. So you need to go to those reputed logistic companies who have a brand identity. So the entire configuration of the business got changed, and these girls could implement in less than 6 weeks. And they use the social media platforms to communicate to the people that we are now serving the people of Jaipur, and they have to make some amendments to the menu card, because in a family, they are not only children, they are parents, grandparents, other people. So you need to create your menu card of that particular nature, people. And in 6 weeks, they are back to normal. They have learned. So I think for every business, the response has to be very fast. Great things can be done. I am confident that I can give you 100 examples of businesses where things have changed during the COVID period and people have created success stories. So people should have that self-confidence. People should be open that I will solve my problem. Question comes from me, answer comes from me, and there are ways and means I will conquer it. If that confidence is there, I am very sure great things can happen. Future can be bright. It can be wonderful.
So thank you very much, sir, for taking out time from a busy schedule and share those pearls of wisdom with us. And we feel really privileged to have hosted you and look forward to very close interactions with you in future. Thank you. Take care and have a good day.
Wonderful, sir. I think I really enjoyed your interaction because I see you continuously smiling. And this is the first indicator of sending positive signals that if you are enjoying the interaction, if you are looking forward that something value addition can happen to me in the course, I think that is an indication. The facial expression in business is very important. Wonderful. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed interacting with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.